This year marks the 49th anniversary of the Peanuts special, Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. Here are a few fun facts. First of all, while Charlie Brown was supposed to go to his grandmother's house for Thanksgiving dinner, he eventually celebrates it at home with his dog Snoopy and his friends. In other words, not a single adult. This is in keeping with the Peanuts comic strip, in which adults almost never appear. Why? Well, Peanuts creator Charles Schulz explained in a 1975 interview he wanted to keep the perspective of what was going on in the eyes of children. Adults would ruin the magic of the strip, and were simply not needed, said Schulz. Adults bring everything back to reality, and it just spoils it. Okay, second fun fact. After Lucy, the resident crabby fuss budget, is seen near the beginning of the special torturing Charlie Brown by pulling the football away from his attempt to kick it, she virtually disappears for the rest of the special. Maybe she went off to wherever all the adults were eating Thanksgiving. And finally, during production of the cartoon, the longtime executive producer of all the Peanuts specials, Lee Mendelson, vociferously protested the idea of Woodstock joining Snoopy in carving and eating a turkey. Because, well, it sort of seems a little like bird cannibalism. But Peanuts creator Charles Schulz insisted that Snoopy's fine feathered friend partake of some turkey, and so Woodstock is seen having turkey. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, where you'll find hundreds of drawing lessons, including how to draw a great scene from A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. Speaking of which, wishing you all a very happy Thanksgiving.